Most people wear disposable masks when there's infectious viruses around. Just imagine what it means to our planet if the 7.5 billion people abandon one disposable mask a day, how much resources it will waste. Under the wide fast-spreading of flu and coronavirus, Revenuo developed a reusable and washable mask that is made of eco-friendly medical-grade silicone. It's lightweight and perfectly adapt to different size faces. Its tested filtering efficiency up to 95% can effectively protect people in all kinds of air issues. We need to stay safe from the virus. We also need to protect our planet with more eco-consciousness.
Safe, comfortable, 80% less filter material, and local production. WS Mask, the open source protective mask. Step 1. Get your personal hardcover, either from 3D printing or from injection molding with 2 separate holders. Step 2. Add some sealing material on the inside. Now, this material is available on the market, and you can use any foam or neoprene material. Seal it and make it as comfortable as possible. Step 3. Fix the elastic band. Use, for example, elastic bands from your disposal mask, or use any other elastic band, and now the mask is ready to wear. Step 4. Last but not least, the filter. Use the best filter available. This solution requires only a fraction of material. Up to 5 filters can be produced from a disposal mask. Clamp the filter, fix it with an elastic band, and the mask is ready. The mask can be put on easily. The WS mask gives you optimal protection. You don't have any wet material on your face. The mask is comfortable to wear and can be easily cleaned. Use this mask to protect you and the people around you.
Introducing the Nero 3D Mask, a fully 3D printed mask which is tailored to your fit so that you can be fully protected in style. The process is simple. Follow our online smart guide, and we will take your measurement and generate a bespoke design that fits you. The model will be printed through our trusted partner, Shapeways, in New York City and delivered to your door. Our process creates the perfect fit so that the mask can rest comfortably and minimize any potential for leakage. We use replaceable N95 filters to stop 99% of micropollutant particles so that you can breathe and enjoy fresh filtered air. Our masks are designed in a way to allow complete freedom to talk and express yourself without feeling muffled or constrained. It is your mask and your style, so you can label it with a customized message and even print it in your favorite color. Everyone has the right to breathe clean air. With our mask, we hope that we can help with this by delivering a comfortable and bespoke experience for everyone. Partner with us today to help make this a reality.
My name is Isaac, and I grew up in Sydney, Australia, with my brother Elias and lifelong friend Jack. When we went on a trip together to China, we suffered from the detrimental effects of air pollution firsthand. That's why we've created an award-winning mask, which doesn't compromise on style or functionality. With machine washable skins, changeable botanical filters, magic fit ear loops, memory nose foam, form-fitting design, and 2 of the world's thinnest valves made from marine grade 316 stainless steel. We've taken care to craft a mask which exceeds in every detail. So now, when we are planning a trip together to Los Angeles, we have a mask which is breathable, comfortable and stylish. We've made a mask that you can wear every day when commuting to work, riding a bike or going for a run. Wear it with glasses or with makeup. It's a mask which stops you from spreading a nasty cough or catching someone else's. Our filters are made of electrostatic cotton, melt-blown microfiber and active carbon, blocking over 97% of particulate matter, 2.5 microns and even smaller. Exceeding Australian respiratory protection standards, our filters last up to 4 weeks. But we didn't just want to make another mask, we wanted to create an experience. Instead of treating our filters with harsh, antibacterial chemicals, our O2 Plus filters infuse natural botanicals sourced from Australian farms, offering subtle scents and unique benefits. From the lavender fields of Tasmania to the eucalyptus trees of New South Wales, our filters can help relax, decongest or stimulate your body. And of course, we have blank filters available as well. The simple click and switch design allows you to swap and replace filters depending on your needs. We think protecting yourself from air pollution should be simple. That's why we spent over 2 years working with the University of Sydney, creating countless prototypes and designs.
Introducing our latest product, LMP, a reusable face mask created to protect you and those around you. LMP has been rapidly prototyped and created as a solution to the current lack of face masks. We wanted to create something that doesn't exploit medical resources and delivers a high-quality face mask for personal use. Our mask filters at high FFP3 and N99 standards, with dual carbon filters to filter out pollution and viral threats. We also wanted to reduce the number of disposable masks for personal use, creating a comfortable, reusable mask with replaceable filters for everyday use. To get our masks into production, we're asking for your support on Kickstarter. Pledges will be shipped by May, so get yours in now.